Today we are going to visit the Winchester Mystery House. The Winchester Mystery House is a very famous attraction located in San Jose, California. This sprawling mansion is well known for its peculiarities in design. This San Jose landmark was designed and lived in by Sarah Winchester, who was an avid fan of architecture and was constantly making changes and renovations to the property that resulted in a labyrinthine type style home with endless connecting hallways and rooms and very, very interesting design. Sarah Winchester wasn't very tall, as you can see by that finger pointing at her height. Sarah Winchester married William Winchester, whose family was famous for the Winchester repeating rifle. As you can see, the house is full of little peculiarities, including the staircase that leads nowhere. Unfortunately, Sarah had a lot of tragedy strike her family. Her daughter, Annie, was born in 1866 and only lived for about a month. Then, between the fall of 1880 to the spring of 1881, she lost her mother, her father-in-law, and her husband. In 1886, she moved out to San Jose, California, where she purchased a massive 45-acre ranch and began building this mansion. At its height, the Winchester Mystery House was 7 stories and had approximately 500 rooms. Unfortunately, the 1906 San Francisco earthquake really demolished a lot of the original mansion. The 7-story tower and most of the chimneys collapsed. An entire wing was destroyed along with 3rd and 4th story additions. Many of the quirks in design were attributed to the earthquake, having areas cordoned off or what used to be balconies that were destroyed, and so you had doors that opened up into nothing, or a staircase to nowhere. There's really nothing too mysterious or creepy about the Winchester Mystery House. It's an incredible building with a lot of interesting architectural designs. The mansion itself is a guided tour, and so you'll have to make reservations either online or in person, but just make sure that you allot yourself enough time because some of the groups might be booked and you'll have to wait until it's time for your tour to start. After our tour of the mansion, we opted to go ahead and go with the self-guided tour in the basement. There are actually 2 basements here, and it's rather dark in there, and it's supposed to evoke certain scary feelings. This is the ghost sighting area.
Can I squeeze your hand?
Yeah.
I'm really scared.
Are you gonna see a ghost in here? Ghost? I ain't afraid no ghost. The Winchester Mystery House wasn't particularly scary, but it was very, very interesting and a snapshot of life for Sarah Winchester. We even found a little friend who was snacking on a park bench. So to me, the Winchester Mystery House is definitely worth a visit.